Hello class, welcome to online class of computer. This is Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. Let's begin our today's session. But before that, do one thing, like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to post your comments as you are doing it. Let's begin.
Yes, class 8. Let's begin our today's session. Advanced features of MS Excel part 2. Practical. Why I have written practical? Because this is a practical based chapter. If we were in school, we must have gone to lab for doing this chapter, right? So no issues. Let's learn online all these things. Okay, my dear students, if you are having this system at your home, you can open it up and follow the steps that I am telling you, right? Today we will cover this topic. Searching for a record in table and queries in Access. We will learn how to create a query in Design View and we will learn how to run a query. In part 1, you must have learned sorting and filtering also, right? That also I will show you. But before that, let's see what is query. Query is a feature in MS Access that is used to get specific information from database. After a few minutes, I will tell you how specific information we get from a database, right? So let's begin our practical session, MS Access. Class 8. Now, this is what Excel database. Access database, right? Now, my dear students, I can assure myself that you know how to create this table in a database. There are two views, design views. But if you have forgotten, just go to just go to previous videos and see how I have created the database. That is video chapters 2 and chapter 3 videos. Okay, so let's do suppose this is what sorting and filtering. So if we click on this, it will sort in ascending order and this will sort in descending order. Can you see? First you have to select the field. It will sort in ascending order, otherwise it will sort in descending order. You can also sort according to employment ID also. All the employment ID will be sorted in ascending order. Fine, so let's sort it according to the employment ID. Filtering also is there. The specific data you want, it will get filtered up. Suppose I don't want these two datas, click on OK. Only those datas I have selected will get filtered up. Fine. These things you have learned in part 1 of this video, right? Part 1 of the chapter 4. Now I will tell you how to create the query. We are creating something, so we will go to create option, right? What we are creating? Query design. You will be click on query design option. Now there are two divisions. One is having the data field and another having the query design grid, this part, right? Here we will select the field which we want in our query. That specific information I am telling you now. So here selected information will be displayed on the query output. Suppose I want ID name, employment name, double click, okay? I want salary of those employees, I want post, right? So I selected these 4 fields and post I want is editor. Only editor should be displayed there, right? Till these steps are clear to you, go to create tab, design query. You can design the query. Fine. Close this. Okay, let me close this one also. Fine. Now this is his table. This is your table. This is your query. Now how to run the query? Go to query like this. Can you see design option is there? Go to design tab click on run, right? Only the post having editor will be displayed as the output. Am I clear with my words? If not, please let me know through the comment box. I will repeat this. One more thing that I need to discuss: how to search a particular record in a table. Go to search. See, at the bottom search option is there. It's very simple. You want to search something, like I want to search Ravi. So the text will get highlighted. Anything you want to search. Like it's a small data, it's fine. But for large data, you can go here and search the particular information you want to search. It will get highlighted in that. I hope things are clear to you, right? So you just practice and let me know your experience, how you are getting the answers or not. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.